What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to get my fields ready to plant rye. So this tractor here with the cultivator, I tried getting rid of the weeds and kind of mixing up the soil with it, and the cultivator did not work. The weeds just, I don't know, it just kind of collected the weeds and didn't do what I wanted it to do. So that's not going to work. We're going to have to try something else. And so now I'm going to go up to a different field and put away the irrigation system for the winter. So I forgot the hose was hooked up to the water soffit, the faucet, and so I yanked the whole thing off and broke it. Oops. Came right off from there and broke. So that did not work. The aerator just floated over the ground, picked up the weeds on the top. It just didn't dig in, and it just did not work. So we're gonna have to figure out something else to do to get the ground worked up. But for right now, I have a cornfield about a half mile away that needs to be harvested, so we're gonna work on that right now. So unfortunately, I was borrowing that tractor and from Grandpa, and he needs it back right now. So I gotta go bring back that tractor and I guess be done for the day. I got 1.5 bags of corn already, plus this full. Lots more left in the field.
That's really heavy. Like 50 pounds right here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 7 bags. 7 50-pound bags. It's the most I've ever gotten. $15 each if you want them.
So I'm gonna need this zero turn later on to mow, but there's a problem. We've got an extremely flat tire, and I don't know if it's popped or it just needs air. So we gotta work on that. So that field that we just finished harvesting corn at needs to be rolled. So I'm going to take this roller here that I got loaded up onto this trailer and go down to the field and roll it. I think that's it for today. Hit that like button if you liked this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next video.